YouTube, what's good? Simeon Screw.
First channel on our YouTube channel.
Shut the freak up. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to properly clean off white shoes. Hold up, give me 1 second. Now as you see, I already been starting with my shoes. They look pretty white right here. This is an after pick right here. And then we got the old ones. Now I'm gonna be cleaning these off to show you exactly what I did. So pretty much what I did was baking soda, and then I got some this random old toothpaste I just found in there, Colgate. And I started doing this because I saw all these other videos on YouTube that are like 7 years old and stuff, and I wanted to make a newer one. So yeah, I just put them all together, put them in some water, and I just got a brush or something. You can get, I got a toothbrush, an old toothbrush or something. But y'all can get whatever y'all want. Shut the freak up, stop laughing.
Why are you always saying or something?
I don't know, man. It's just a filler word or something. Okay, moving on. So I'm gonna show you guys my exact process I did with cleaning these shoes. It's pretty basic, self-explanatory though. You just take the brush, you just throw it here real quick, and then you just start scrubbing the shoes, obviously. I put like 2 scoops of that thing in with a spoon, and then put just squeeze a little bit of that toothpaste in there. But besides that, let's get to the video.
Look at the slight movement of his hand. Look at the flick of his wrist. This man is going to the pros.
No question.
Hashtag Burleezy. Check his channel out. He's a great YouTuber. He's really funny. This is how much spare time we have.
Right, this is how much spare time we have right here.
It's a gloomy day. I'll show you later.
You can show them right now, shit. Go ahead.
Look how gloomy that shit is. Like, seriously. Who wants to play on a gloomy day like this? Hashtag the Pan Pan. He's our mascot now. Pan Pan, say hi.
We got Corey Kitchen has Momo, we got Pan Pan.
Yep. Check out Corey Kitchen if you don't already know who he is. And if you don't know who he is, you're a fart.
Try today. If you want to do your freaking intro, you gonna. Oh! How many more times do I gotta take you that?
Pretty good. This is a pretty boring video. Props if you made it this far.
Big props, yeah. I mean, if you clicked on this video, you do really want to clean your shoes. So, it can't be that boring.
It's pretty obvious how to clean them, though. You can pretty much get a wet wipe.
Wet wipe?
Or you can put on a micro machine.
Micro machine, yes.
What? What the fuck?
Sure.
Put them in the micro machine, guys. Come on.
Or washing
Come on,
machine.
crispy.
Or washing machine. Look at the flick of his wrist.
Now we're gonna scrub everything off, and we're gonna scrub all the toothpaste and stuff that we put on there. All right, and that's basically it. But stay tuned to see the full transformation. All right, let's go. Alright, and as you can see, these things are way cleaner than they originally did in the beginning. And this is how you clean your shoes properly using toothpaste. This I will get to later. I'm going to do a quick video for y'all just to show y'all how to do it. I'll see you guys later. See ya. If y'all needed more proof on how these work, just look at my sister's shoes. I just did. These are nice.
These are the ones that work.
That's a before, here's an after, dude. This is good right here.
And then the laces.
Alright, I'll see y'all later. Peace.